Good morning to you all. Today I wish to discuss how we may transform an average school into an excellent institution. Transforming an average school into an excellent institution requires a comprehensive approach that addresses various aspects of education from teaching quality to school culture. Now we may have a structured plan to achieve this. First one is leadership and vision. The management must appoint a strong leadership to develop an institution into an excellent institution. He or she must appoint or develop a visionary leader who is committed to continuous improvement and capable of inspiring staff and students. He or she must have a clear vision and mission for the school. He or she must establish a clear vision and mission that focus on excellence in education and ensure that all stakeholders like teachers, students and parents may understand and support it. A strong leadership must have a clear vision and mission for his or her school so that he may or she may convert it into an excellent institution. Second is high quality teaching. A strong leadership must focus on professional development of teachers. He or she must invest in ongoing professional development for teachers, focusing on modern teaching methods, classroom management, and subject mastery. He or she must encourage collaboration among teachers to share best practices and resources among them. If the teachers' collaboration is in the school, then this school may be converted into an excellent institution. Hence, teachers' collaboration is the requirement of the converting an average school into an excellent institution. A strong leadership must hire qualified, passionate teachers who align with the school's vision of excellence. Third is curriculum and instruction. A strong leadership must have a relevant and rigorous curriculum for the school. He or she must ensure the curriculum which is challenging, up to date, and relevant to students' needs and future opportunities. He or she must focus on the relevant and rigorous curriculum for the schools. He or she must focus on personalized learning of the students. He or she must implement differentiated instructions to cater to the diverse learning needs of the students. Personalized learning may convert an average school into an excellent institution. He or she must focus on technology integration. He or she must incorporate technology to enhance learning experience and to prepare students for a digital world, which is the requirement of today. Fourth is student engagement and support. A strong leadership must promote holistic development of the students. He or she must focus on holistic development of students, including academic, social skill, and emotional well-being of the students. He or she must focus on extracurricular activities. He or she must offer a variety of extracurricular activities to develop students' interests and talents. It is the requirement of the today. Extracurricular activities in a school may convert a school into an excellent institution. He or she must have a student support system. He or she must provide support system such as counseling and mentoring to address students' academic and personal challenges. Fifth is assessment and accountability. A strong leadership must promote regular assessment. He or she must use a variety of assessments to measure students' learning and to identify areas for improvement. He must use assessment data to make informed decisions about teaching strategies, curriculum adjustment, and student interventions. He or she must hold teachers, students, and administrators accountable for meeting performance standards. Sixth, school culture and environment. A strong leadership must promote positive school culture. He or she must foster a positive, inclusive school culture that promotes respect, responsibility, and a love for learning. He or she must promote safe and welcoming environment in the school. He or she must ensure the school environment is safe, clean, and conducive to learning. He or she must promote parental involvement. He or she must engage parents and the community in the educational process, creating partnership that supports students' achievements. Seventh is resource management. A strong leadership must have efficient use of resources. He or she must ensure that financial, human, and physical resources are to be used effectively to support the school's goal. He or she must involve fundraising and grant. He or she must seek additional funding through grants, partnership, and fundraising to support school improvement initiatives. 8.1 is continuous improvement. A strong leadership must promote feedback mechanism. He or she must have regularly seek feedback from students, parents, and staff to identify strengths and areas for improvement. A strong leadership must have adaptability. He or she must be willing to adapt and change strategies based on feedback and changing educational trends. Ninth is community involvement. A strong leadership must build partnership. He or she must establish a strong partnership with local businesses, organizations, and higher educational institutions to enhance educational opportunities. A strong leadership must promote community outreach. He or she must engage in outreach activities that promotes the school's achievement and fosters community pride. 10th one is sustained efforts and patience. A strong leadership must have long-term commitments. He or she must recognize that transforming a school takes time and maintain a long-term commitments to process. He or she must have a courage to wait for a long-term commitment and to work together to transform a average school into an excellent institution. A strong leadership must celebrate successes. He or she must celebrate milestones and successes along the way to keep the school community motivated and engaged. He must celebrate every success which he or she gets or which he or she gets through the students' achievements. By addressing these areas systematically, an average school can be transformed into an excellent institution that provides high quality education and prepares students for the success in their future endeavors. I have discussed how we may transform an average school into an excellent institution. Please go through the whole video, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel. You may see more videos, more motivational and inspirational videos for students and teachers. If you like it, please share my channel to others also to be benefited for the development and curriculum development also. Thanks.